I've been here in Phoenix for like 2 days. 2 days, and I realized my lens is effed. It is effed. I first noticed the problem in Thailand. I was editing a couple of photos from a shoot, and I noticed that the left side of my image was quite out of focus, and I just kind of racked it up to the fact that maybe there was condensation on the lens or on my sensor of my old 6D or something like that. I didn't really know. Then in Mexico, I was editing photos from Mexico, and I noticed the exact same problem with this lens once again. And I thought to myself, what could be the problem? So in my head I thought, oh, maybe it's something on the sensor. Maybe there's like something on my old sensor of my old 6D that is effed. I brought it home, I tested a couple of shots on my 5D Mark IV, and the exact same problem on this lens, and I just realized the lens is effed. Then I kind of shook it, and I can hear something jiggling a little bit. And I realized that there's probably an element on the inside of the 16 to 35mm f4 that's loose or out of place, so my lens is effed. And hopefully it can be fixed. I'm heading today to a place called Tempe Camera here in Phoenix to hopefully get it fixed. They're legends. They've fixed a lot of stuff for me every time I'm here, so hopefully they can take care of it. And I guess let's go on an adventure to try to get this lens fixed. We made it to Tempe Camera here in Phoenix, in Tempe actually, and there's actually an alternative outcome that I'm maybe thinking might happen, in that I'm hoping they might buy my 6D, my old 6D. I'm hoping they might buy my 16 to 35, and I'm hoping they might also buy this Rokinon 14mm I'm filming on now in exchange for the 16 to 35 f2.8. So I don't think it's gonna happen, but I'm kind of hoping that's what happens. So let's go see if this is even open, because it kind of looks quiet right now. Outcome today is basically what I was expecting. They didn't want my 6D because it's in rough shape, and my 16 to 35, it looks like the element's out of place, so they need to fix that. And what else happened? They don't want the 14mm because it's a cheap lens, so basically the end situation today is they're gonna fix the 16 to 35, and I'll find out how much it's gonna cost me tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to just like continue on with this vlog until all of this is sorted out, because we're kind of here in Arizona right now just working and getting caught up on work before heading out to travel. Back home, bad news. First of all, the bad news is that I'm using the HDR function of the new 5D Mark IV. I just wanted to test out how HDR video looked. And I looked at the first clip and it looked a little bit muddy and kind of, yeah, it didn't look great. It looked a little bit cartoonish, but I still wanted to test it out. So testing it out for the second shot as well. The bad news though, getting to the bad news. On the drive home from Tempe Camera, they called me to say that there's no way they can fix it and then it has to go back to Canon. And so I was super frustrated because they said it's going to take 4 to 6 weeks. I also just sent my drone off to get repaired, which is also going to take like 4 weeks to get repaired, even though I just bought it and I feel like everything's just falling apart, and that's super, super frustrating. But it's a part of business, and I've just been like racking my brain on solutions. I thought maybe I'd wait for 4 to 6 weeks and I could rent a lens for that amount of time, or I could maybe trade in a bunch of things and buy the new one, but it's just been such an expensive month. As you guys have seen in the monthly income report already for December, it's just been the most expensive month of my entire life. So yeah, that's the frustrating part, but that's, I guess, a part of being a business. You just have to be prepared for these things. The solution that I just came up with that's not ideal is I bought a new lens. I just ordered from B&H a used 16 to 35mm f4, the exact same lens. It cost $900, and I guess once I get that lens, I'll use it for these 4 weeks and then I'll sell one of those two lenses once I get the other one back, if I get it back before I leave the US. Because remember, I leave the US in 6 weeks. So it's totally possible the lens doesn't make it back to me before I have to leave to Europe. So I really just needed to suck it up and spend more money, which sucks. Anyways, guys, I guess that's the solution. So I guess maybe that might even be the end of this vlog. I guess that is the end of this vlog. The shortest vlog in the history of the vlog, but that's just how it goes sometimes. My lens is effed, but I have a new one coming, so even though it's a bit annoying, there's definitely going to be videos on travel and photography coming up. Now, I guess since this is such a short episode, I should just like talk about what's coming up on the channel. I've been here in Phoenix for a couple days. I will continue being here in Phoenix until the new year, which I know this video is coming after the New Year's already happened, but I'm a little bit late in the videos. Then on like January 2nd or 3rd, I'm going to be heading on a road trip. Jody and I are probably going to go up to places like Havasu Falls, Monument Valley, Zion, coming back here. Then we're going to go on another road trip, Las Vegas, Valley of Fire State Park, San Francisco, maybe like a road trip down the coast, the West Coast Trail, actually definitely a road trip down the West Coast, LA, Big Sur, San Diego, back here. Then, like end of January, we got to drive all the way to New York because Jody's got to get to Fashion Week. So road trip, again, we're going to go to like White Sands National Monument, Austin, Texas, New Orleans, maybe some places I haven't ever checked out like South Carolina, North Carolina, and then up to New York, and then I've got to drive all the way back to LA. So I'm definitely going to be putting some miles on over the next month and a half, over the next 6 weeks. But the good news is I've got a new camera, 5D Mark IV. I've got the lens coming, so I should be okay. Hopefully I get a drone sorted out as well over that time, and yeah, it should be a lot of fun stuff. Now, I've had a lot of people ask me about meetups. Is there going to be a meetup in LA? Is there going to be a meetup in Phoenix? Is there going to be a meetup in New York? And the honest truth is I don't know, because I'm just like so busy. And it's just because I haven't really figured out a total proper plan yet. But join my Facebook group. Go to Facebook and search Brendan Vanson. You'll find Brendan Vanson's Mother Photographers, a group that I created, and over there has all the meetup information, and that's absolutely the best way to find out if there's going to be a meetup somewhere. I'm almost definitely having a meetup in LA. I just don't know if there'll be also a meetup in Phoenix or New York or anything like that. So join that group. I'll put a link in the description or the comments to this video, and check it out. And I guess that's it for today. I guess that this episode will probably be called My Lens is Effed. And I'm sad about that because I've had that lens forever. That lens has probably been on 5 continents and like 50 or 60 countries. So I guess it's probably, you know, it's probably got its miles covered as well. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow the travel starts as well. Tomorrow we're hitting the road. I promise. I'll see you there. Peace.